Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the question answers of the story His First Flight. The first question is, why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Do you think all young birds are afraid to make their first flight, or are some birds more timid than the others? Do you think a human baby also finds it a challenge to take its first steps? Yes, students, as we have studied in the chapter, that the young seagull was afraid to fly because it was his first flight and he felt that his wings would never support him. They were not strong enough to make it fly. We all know that a big journey begins with a simple small step. To take the first step often proves very difficult to anyone, whether it is a bird or a human being or a human baby. I think it is very common fear among humans, animals, and birds to take the first step of flight. Thus, most of the young birds are afraid to make their first flight, and some are more timid than the others. The third part, that do you think a human baby also finds it a challenge to take its first steps? Yes. Just like young birds, human babies also hesitate and are scared of falling down, and as such, they hesitate to take the first step. They are very afraid to take the first step, and they are very reluctant, even when parents, especially mother, when encourages the human baby to walk, to run, okay, the baby hesitates and is very reluctant, and often you will observe that they will just simply sit down. The second question is, the sight of the food maddened him. What does this suggest? What compelled the young seagull to finally fly? The young seagull was afraid of flying. Despite getting encouragement from his parents and siblings, he doesn't have enough courage to fly. Getting annoyed at his pessimistic attitude and gesture, the young seagull was punished to stay alone and was hungry. The young seagull was punished to stay alone and hungry as if he didn't try. When the seagull began to starve, as he couldn't fly to get his own food, he desperately needed food. When he saw his mother coming towards him, picking up a piece of fish in her beak, he screamed with joy. He got very excited. He was so hungry that he dived at the fish when his mother didn't come near to him. When she was coming towards the seagull, just as she came close to him, very near to him, she stopped, she halted. And when the seagull saw that she was not coming, so he was so hungry, so excited that he dived at the fish when his mother didn't come near him. He forgot for a moment that he was afraid of flying. Thus, he got maddened by the sight of food because he was starving, which compelled him to take his first flight. Now, the third question. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. Why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? The young seagull, being afraid of falling down, was not making any effort, any attempt at all to fly. He couldn't gather enough courage to take his first flight. His parents taunted him for being a coward. They left him alone on the ledge as they thought hunger would make him fly, looking for his food. They did all of this because they wanted him to fly. Now, student, the next two questions, they are for group discussion. And there you have to write your own opinion. Okay, it is free writing based questions. Have you ever had a similar experience where your parents encouraged you to do something that you were too scared to try? Discuss this in pairs or groups. So, this is for discussion. And the next question, fifth one, in the case of a bird flying, it seems a natural act and a foregone conclusion that it should succeed. In the examples you are given in the answer to the previous question, was your success guaranteed or was it important for you to try, regardless of a possibility of failures? So, in these questions, you have to write your own experience, you have to give your own examples, instances, and what was the outcome, what was your experience. Okay, so that will come, and this is for discussion. So no need to do these two questions in the copy, just the first three questions you will do in your notebook. Thank you, students.